Hey guys, Bobby here, and with the cooler months coming in the winter and me being a little over 50 years old, we get a little stiffer. So I'm gonna show you a couple of poses I like to do to help keep me loose and limber to where I can bend over and pick up that quarter in the parking lot. Start by getting you a towel if you don't have a block, or something soft if your knees are a little tender, and roll it up into a thing about like that. And this is going to take 2 minutes a day. Literally, that's it. And if you do this for the next 30 days, I promise you, you're going to have a major difference in your flexibility and your mental health too. So roll that up, place your knees on your mat. And if you don't have a mat, just get another towel and lie down. Have your knees, the mat, or the towel's width apart. Take your toes, put them together. Sink your tailbone back towards your heels, and then gently stretch your palms out as far as you can. And just relax into this. Feel your breath go into the belly, push into the thighs, and when you breathe out, just let your hips fall to the floor. If you'd like, you could go ahead and take your forehead and lay it on the mat. And you just sit here for about a minute, minute and a half, and just breathing and relaxing. This is opening up our hips, our knees, our shoulders. Just keep breathing into this. Now for another minute, we'll come back up into tabletop and gently start to crawl back. Take your towel, remove it, and lie down all the way down on your mat, on your belly, with your elbows under your shoulders, squarely. Your hands flat as pancakes on the mat. Extend your toes out straight. Widen your feet about the width of the mat, and just sit here. And now this is a good pose to counter the child's pose. And just sit here and relax. If you want a little bit better stretch in this, you take your palms, put them flat on the mat, and then pull as if you're pulling the mat towards your feet. And what that does is that gives a tiny bit, a little bit of separation in your vertebra. If you just sit here for about a minute, like I said, if this is too tough on your lower back, widen your feet just a little bit more. And then after that minute, you just sit there and relax it out. Lie your head down, roll all the way over on your back. And this is a very, very good hip stretch right here, eye of the needle. You take your right foot, place it on top of your left knee. Take your left foot, raise it in the air. Take your right hand, place it through that little triangle. Left hand, and grab the back of your left thigh. And then pull that down until you feel that right hip start to open up. Now hold that there comfortably, not painfully, comfortably, for as long as you can. Slowly and slowly and slowly, that hip will begin to open. Sooner or later, hyaluronic acids and other synovial fluids will start to enter into that joint and lubricate it. So after that, gently let your feet down, switch sides, take your left foot, place it on your right knee, right foot in the air, left hand through the needle, and pull that right thigh back towards your chest. Comfortably, not painful. You're gonna feel it right here in that left hip, right here, opening up. And after that, gently place your legs back down. Gently come up to a seated position. lie down and enjoy the rest of your night. These stretches, if you perform these stretches at least 2 to 3 times a week, which isn't even half of your week, you deserve more than that. I promise you, by New Year's, you'll feel a new you. Enjoy.